Morning. Here's a great one for you. Coming off pitch, an off-site sale, making its way to someone who's building at home, onto a farmland, onto a new caravan park. We've got a 2021 Sunseeker Twilight. It's a 35 by 12, 2-bedroom. Like I said, it's coming off site. Great finish to these panels. Galvanised van. Bags of space. There we go. Sunseeker Twilight. 35 by 12, 2-bed. Let's get you inside. So different layout for this one. Really quite unique what Supreme do. Sunseeker have got this one nailed, definitely. So there we go. There's our dining area. Bags of space in here. Double doors at the front. Loads of light pouring in. Central glazing. Central heating. Double glazed. Pull out bed underneath that sofa. Making this a 6th berth. Loads of space. Loads and loads of space. There we go into the kitchen. It's got that golden triangle, your cooker, fridge, freezer, integrated. There we go. And your sink. Nicely integrated microwave oven. Bags of storage, bags of prep space, bags of it. Let's go through. Nice to have this lobby area as well. Really separates the van off. Here's a master bathroom. You know, this size 35-12 being a 2-bed, you get the space in the rooms, including the bathroom. Nice deep shower in there. And through into bedroom number 1 is a twin. There we go. And storage and into the master. Always about the master. Bags of space. We've got radiators in every room. Nice and warm for this one. Like I said, it's coming off site. Plenty of space. Triple wardrobes there by the door. There we go. And of course, with a 2-bed, you get the space, which gives you an ensuite. Nice. Give me a call, let me know. 07973 620 351. I'm Simon. Look at it. Really nice space. Let me know your thoughts. '21 Sunseeker Twilight. Thanks, guys.